Now we got two out there, one with a burger patty. Do you have a burger?
I just started making an ass out of myself.
You're already doing that, too late.
What do you got in your hands?
I've got a burger with mustard.
It's got a burger with everything. It's saying, eat me!
Oh my God.
You better be eating that one. If you can't sell that one. Oh, and then here comes Sam and the ladies. They're coming. Here we go. They're gonna harass some more cars. They got burgers and signs. She shook her head at you. You get peace signs, you get people shaking their head at you, but nobody's stopping for the burgers. You're not doing it right.
Start flashing people.
Not you guys.
Mini biscuits.
Mini? No. That'll be. Come here.
Ooh, got dizzy. That was another fast turn.
Front right!
Looked like the guy in the back
No,
seat
you
of that
guys
car
gotta
was
go
trying
on
to figure
that
out what the
corner.
hell's going on.
Yeah? You gotta go on that corner.
Tag teamers.
We are completely soliciting this corner. The only thing that we're missing is a leg.
One of you go on that.
Hey ladies, hang your legs out your pants!